Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is iFrames. We call it as frames or iFrames. iFrames are HTML elements that embed another page inside a page. Important points are elements inside a frame are not part of the main DOM. Selenium cannot locate frame elements directly. We must switch context to the frame. Type of frames are switching by index, by name, or by ID, or by web element. After completing actions inside a frame, Selenium must switch back to the default content. If you see here, first I have switched to the frame by index. Then I have read an element text using the attribute property. And then I have printed it and switched back to the default content. This is how frames are handled in Selenium automation. I will run the script, then you will have better understanding. For first, the page is loaded. Once the page is loaded, whatever this particular uh, element is there, it is inside an iframe. If you see, it is inside an iframe. So inside it, we are finding the element by ID tinymce. Here we are reading the value rich text area. Press Alt for help. So this should be printed in the console. So if you see iframe text rich text area, press Alt 0 for help. So this is what is there inside the particular element. So frames are handled successfully. I will close the application. So let me recap. If Selenium can't find an element, check if it is inside a frame. Always switch back after working inside a frame. Frame issues are context issues, not locator issues. No switch, no access.